Hey everyone, Ray here from Journal with Ray, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be setting up my February monthly spreads. I'm changing it up just a little, but not too much, just enough to make it where I want to be. You can tell that I already started messing around with the theme a little bit. I've already started filling some parts in and sketching other elements. But don't worry, you'll get to watch me decorate most of the pages on camera. My theme for this month is florals and geometric shapes, or as I've been affectionately calling them, blobs. This theme is inspired by my friends Paula and Christy. I will link their Instagrams down below so you can check them out. But my theme is very inspired by them, but I put my own touch on it by making it pinks and florals. Don't get too comfortable with the calendar you see me making here. A little bit farther into the video, I messed up my numbering for the days of the month, and I ended up completely scrapping the calendar and making a new one out of craft paper. You don't get to see me make the new one on camera because I did it off camera because I was a little flustered, but you'll get to see me paste it in and make it all better, so don't worry, I'll fix it if you see me make that mistake. Some exciting things have been happening behind the scenes since I posted my last video, and I think now would be a good time to talk about them. The first thing I'd like to announce is that I have opened an Etsy shop to sell printables. I bought myself an iPad and pencil for Christmas, and I've been able to draw a lot on Procreate, and I've started selling some of my designs. I'm not able to make stickers yet for purchase, but I am selling printables for $2.50 each. That's in US dollars, and those are available on my Etsy shop. I will have my shop linked down below in the description box if you'd like to consider supporting me financially, and you'll get one PDF file for each purchase you make, and you'll have unlimited access to that printable. You can print it as many times as you want, and I would love to see how you use them. If you do purchase a printable from me, please tag me on my Instagram or message me at Journal with Ray. Another exciting thing that's been happening is that I am now a PR rep for my wonderful friend Kelly at with KX on Instagram. Her shop name is Together with KX. I will have my own 10% off code to share with you that will be active on February 1st, so please keep an eye out for that code, and you can use that on any purchase in her Etsy shop. Kelly is a really great friend and a really great person to have in your corner. She's been so supportive as I've been opening my own shop, and I'm really excited to be supporting her in turn. So keep an eye out. I would love for you guys to check out her shop as well as my own. So yeah, those are the updates I have for now on the creative side of things. I know some of you were interested in what I'm taking this semester for classes for my last semester of university. I'm taking 14 credits this semester, and I am taking human genetics, biological communication, advanced cell biology, and plant molecular biology. I am also maintaining my seat in the wind ensemble and taking a professional development course to get me ready to graduate. It does seem like I'm taking a pretty heavy course load this semester, but I only really have 3 main STEM classes to worry about, and the rest are more quote-unquote auxiliary elective courses for me. I think it'll be a really good semester, and I think I'm off to a good start, and I'm excited to see what I learned this semester. I'm hoping that my classes won't be a repeat of previous courses, because that would kind of defeat the purpose of taking a new course. So I'm hoping we really get into the nitty-gritty details of these different courses that I'm taking. But we'll find out, and I'm excited for it. As for post-graduation, I am still hunting for a job, just like I was last time I uploaded the video. But that's why I'm taking this professional development course. I am really hoping this will help me learn how to network, especially online, and how to fine-tune my resume, and how to figure out how to land a job over the internet, since I'm moving quite far away from where I am right now. So wish me luck, because I definitely need it. Alright, looks like I'm done with my monthly page, and I'm moving on to my more fun pages for my monthly setup. Here I am putting together my reading tracker and my mood board. I just started doing mood boards last month, and I really enjoyed looking at it throughout the month, and so I decided to do another one for February. This one's a little more chaotic, if you will. I didn't really pre-plan what I was putting in my mood boards, so kind of just did whatever felt right, and it ended up turning pretty cute, so I'm kind of glad I didn't plan that out. I'm trying to realize that I don't need to pre-plan every single thing in my bullet journal, and it should be a space for free creativity, so I'm really glad I am starting to get a hold of that skill. If you can't read the sticker I just put down, it says, "Today was a good day." This is from Procrastinator Co. on Etsy, and she also has a shop Instagram with the same name, so definitely go check those out. They're really, really cute, and she has a couple different kinds of those sheets. And here's one of the sheets by Kelly with KX. She has this really cute self-care theme going on right now. I just put down a sticker that has flowers taped down with a band-aid, and I think that's really cute and kind of thought-provoking if you think about it enough. It's really cool, and I like the message that she's sending with those stickers. I've also found that I struggle with taking the backs off of stickers if they're not in a sheet. If they're like single stickers, like die cut I think they're called, I have a really hard time taking the backs off. For this brown leaf botanical sticker that I just put down, I had to go off camera for like 2 minutes straight to try to get the back off. I don't know what my deal is. So if you have any tips of how to get those off without destroying them, please comment them, because your girl needs help. Here I'm putting down one of my new favorite washi tapes. It looks similar to what I have already, and it came in a 7-pack, so I have 7 different colors of this really delicate grid washi. I have 4 of them out for this video that I will use. I don't think I used the black one, but the other 3 I use. I have a black, a white, a nudish pink, and a brownish orange grid washi. I love these so much. I will put the link in the description because I've already had like 10 people on Instagram ask where I got them from because I posted them to my story. So if you are interested in buying them, I will link them. I don't get any money off of that, no commission, no affiliate links, anything like that. It's just in case you want those for yourself as well. Not much is going on here, you guys. Break was nice. I went home for a couple weeks, but I came back early so I could work at the lab. But otherwise, I haven't really been doing too much besides classes and adding more things to my Etsy shop. I do have a February calendar printable up if you're interested in that. I am putting the Sunday start up as soon as this video is uploaded, but the Monday start version is already live. Over break, before I had to go back to work, my friend Rachel at Hello Rachel the First came to visit me in Iowa, and it was so much fun. It was cold and snowy and icy, but we had a lot of fun getting cozy in coffee shops and chocolate shops and libraries and drawing and sharing stories, and it was just so much fun having her here. And I think I made 2 or 3 printables that weekend, and she made a couple things too. I don't know if all of them are released yet, so I won't say anything. But we had such a good creative weekend, and it was really a treat having her here. I'm hoping I can see her one more time before I move, but I'm very thankful that she took the time to come visit me. One day I would love to meet all of my bullet journal friends. I think it would be so much fun to get together with other people from around the world to just journal and share our styles. We kind of do that already on Instagram, but there's just something really fun and personal about doing it in person. I've met with 2 of my journal friends in person, and it's been such a treat. So I'm hoping that maybe one day I can meet some of my other friends too. So that'll be a lot of fun. Alright, we're already back to the dreaded habit tracker. Y'all know I've had a love-hate relationship with these, and after 3 months of not doing them, I am trying to do it again. I am only going to track 3 habits this month to try to make it easier for me to get back into it. I am tracking if I hit my daily water intake goal, if I didn't eat meat one day, and if I hit my daily step goal. I want to get more active and become a little more healthier, not as a New Year's resolution kick, but just because I want to start taking better care of myself. And so these are 3 easy things I can do daily to start doing that. And then beneath the habit tracker, I am doing a goal section that will kind of align with that. I will fill those in later because those are a little bit more personal, but you can see how I lay it out. What are you guys reading right now? I should have brought it up while I was over on the reading tracker, but currently I am reading An Enchantment of Ravens by Margaret Rogerson. It's your stereotypical fairy human gets transported to a new world kind of young adult fantasy, but it's really cute and I really like it so far. I'm about 100 pages in, and I am hoping to finish it by the end of January. But as of right now, I would definitely recommend this book if you're looking for something light and easy to read, but still complex enough to give you an entertaining story for our age. I tried reading more of The Wicked King by Holly Black over my winter break, and for some reason I just couldn't make myself read. I had a really hard time getting myself to sit down and actually focus. So another goal of mine for either the end of January or the beginning of February is to try to put a dent in that book. I know that some of my friends are waiting for me to finish it, so we can do a buddy read for The Queen of Nothing, which is the last book in the trilogy. So I'm really sorry. I'm trying my best, and maybe tonight I will try to knock some of that out, but no promises. I think part of why I haven't been reading is the fact that I've been watching more series on TV. My partner and I just finished up She-Ra Princesses of Power, the new Netflix edition, and it is so cute, y'all. We just finished season 4 and we are impatiently waiting for season 5, but it's incredible and I can't get over it. It's just perfect. It had tons of action and tons of political themes, and it's a bunch of cuteness, and it's all animated and it's really adorable, and it's kind of just perfect. It's like everything I want in a TV show. So if you're looking for something new to watch, I definitely recommend She-Ra. Alright, over here on the right hand page I am lettering a quote. It says, "This is the season she will chase the future she created for herself." This quote was modified from an original quote by Morgan Harper Nichols. She has an Instagram account that I follow, and it's just fantastic. And I actually found her original quote on Pinterest, but I modified it a little bit to fit with the vision I was looking for this page. I am lettering the more focal words right now with a Tombow Fudenosuke soft tip, and I did the rest of it with my Pigma Micron size 02. I know like 5 minutes ago I had said I was happy I wasn't pre-planning all of my bullet journal, but I am really thankful I pre-planned this quote because getting it centered is really hard. Lettering is always one thing I will sketch out prior to actually inking it because it makes me so nervous to mess up my lettering, especially if I like misspell a word or if I don't count my dots enough to make it centered or anything like that. But I think it turned out really cute, really centered, and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, I don't really have that much else to say. We still have a couple minutes here, but I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I'm really thankful that you wanted to watch my setup, and I hope you get some inspiration from it as well. If you recreate or take inspiration from my spreads, please tag me on Instagram or message me. My @ is @journalwithray, just like my username over here. I would love to see if you take inspiration from me at all. But otherwise, come follow me over there. Come follow my Etsy shop. Come check me out on Pinterest. Just come connect with me. It'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, I love you guys and thanks for watching. I will do a little up close and personal for the details once I am done with making spreads on camera. But yeah, thanks a bunch.